If you're wanting some extra security for your wig, then wig tape may just be what you're looking for. It will give you that additional reassurance that your wig will stay in place as you go about your daily life. To apply wig tape, it must be applied to your skin. Otherwise, you run the risk of pulling on or damaging your own bio hair. Your skin must be clean and free from makeup or oils. Otherwise, the tape will not stick correctly. So, what is wig tape? It's a double-sided, medical-grade, sticky product that is safe to use on your skin. It comes in different strengths and shapes, from pre-cut strips to different sized rolls. Take into consideration where you are putting the wig tape. If you are wanting to adhere onto a lace front, then you must use tape specifically designed for lace fronts. This is because it has a duller appearance, so it won't appear shiny when applied. Even though lace front wig tape is more delicate, remember to be very gentle so that you don't damage the lace. When you're ready to adhere your tape, turn your wig inside out and place it on a flat surface. If you're using a roll of wig tape, then cut to your required length. Remove one side of the backing and stick it to where you would like it to go. It can be a bit fiddly to get the back off, so if you're struggling, then using some tweezers may help. When you have positioned the tape where you want it to go, then remove the remaining backing strip. You are now ready to put your wig on. When your wig is on and you have it positioned correctly, gently press the wig where the tape is located against your skin. This will adhere the tape to your head, and you can now feel reassured that your wig will stay in place throughout your day. In some scenarios, you may find that your wig does not have an area where you can adhere the tape. Don't despair, as there is a solution for this called a silicone sheet. Take your silicone sheet and cut it to the required shape. Thread the invisible thread into a needle and then stitch that section into the wig. You will now have the correct base ready for you to attach the wig tape when required. If you're concerned about your wig moving throughout the day or about it not feeling secure, applying wig tape might be the answer that you're looking for. Simply Wigs have lots of products and plenty of suggestions for any wig wearing concerns you may have. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube and social media channels, as it's a fantastic way to receive tips, tricks and stay updated with all the latest news from our wonderful world of wigs. We offer tutorials and demonstrations on styling, maintenance and much more. Join our community to be part of the Simply Wigs experience.